Student, our next topic is in case of loss to the firm. If the firm incurs loss during the year, partner will neither be allowed interest on capital nor any salary. Means we will not charge interest on capital and salary in case of loss. Also, there is no profit to be appropriated. As such, profit and loss appropriation account will not be prepared, and losses will be distributed through profit and loss account. Means we will not make here P&L appropriation account, we will make here profit and loss account. Example, A and B are partner in a firm on 1st April 2018. Their capital were rupees 3 lakh and 2 lakh respectively. This is the opening capital of A and B. On 1st October 2018, A granted a loan of rupees 50,000 to the firm. B had allowed firm to use his property for business a monthly rent of rupees 10,000. This is the rent. The partnership deed provides that interest on capital will be allowed at the rate 9% per annum, and B is to be allowed an annual salary of rupees 1 lakh. The firm incurred a loss of rupees 28,500 for the year ended 31st March 2019. Before any adjustment is made, according to the partnership deed, prepare an account showing the distribution of profit and loss account. Means we will make here profit and loss account. Come to our solution. In the books of A and B, because both partners are collectively called firm, and we will make our entry in the firm's book, so we written here books of A and B. Now we will make the format of profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2019. Students, we will write here 2 P&L account, or you can write here loss for the year 28,500. Then we will write here rent 1,20,000. Then we will write here interest on A's loan 1,500. Then we will find our difference. Here it will come in credit side, so we written here net loss transferred to capital account of A and B. We will not transfer it in appropriation account because we have here loss, so we will directly transfer it in their capital account. Rent and interest on partners loan are charged against profit. They will be debited to P&L account even if the firm incurs loss. The P&L appropriation account will not be prepared as there is no profit that can be appropriated. Thank you, students.